What's up, guys? Today we are going to be jamming to Cardi B while I eat Chick-fil-A. So it's kind of like a mukbang jam with me. People in the street are like, why are you talking to yourself? And I'm just like, girl, I'm a YouTuber. Cardi B came out with a new album and it was freaking bomb. I've been listening to it non-stop. I think my favorites are Through the Phone, of course Bodak Yellow, Bartier Cardi, but those are like old songs. Through the Phone, I do with SZA because oh my god, SZA, you guys already know she's my favorite. Be Careful, oh my gosh, Be Careful, really, like, it makes me feel like such a bad bee. So let's bump this girl because she is freaking bomb. Let's start off with an original.
She said she gon' do what a who. Let's find out and see. Job to make them 6 months. Work working as hard as me. Don't let these hoes bother me. I'ma just chill on some babe. I'ma just chill with your boo. You got me easing around in a new wind.
Pulling up to Chick-fil-A in a little bit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I've been having Chick-fil-A for 3 days in a row, but I've been going to the gym like twice a day, so it's fine. Got a new Canon G7X Mark II because my other one, I got it when it like first came out, and I guess like there was issues with it, so this one's like way better quality because it's also built differently. So this is low-key a simp song. Cardi making simp songs? What?
I just wanna break up all your shit. Call your mama phone, let her know that she raised the brag about your whole.
Oh, Cardi, you did that.
Fucking with bitches that my heart is beating like it's beating now. Everyone was right about you now. I went through your phone last night.
Up to Chick-fil-A. Oh my gosh, they already know my order by this time, so it's like, hi, can I get the 12-piece chicken nuggets?
Okay.
And can I also get 2 large fries, just a Chick-fil-A sandwich, and then for the sauces, Chick-fil-A sauce and ranch.
Alright, so I got a 12 count, 2 large fries, and a sandwich. It's gonna be $14.80.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Ooh, he said my pleasure. He was like, my pleasure. All right, back to my jams. I'm sweating, guys. It's really hot right now. It's 71 degrees, but in my car it's like 8 million. Oh, this is I Do with SZA.
I left that nigga on red cause I felt like it. Dapper, I look fine and my chicks define. Like I do. If you broke hoes, need to get a job. For the record, I said record sales. And it's not a jail. They say by now that I'll be finished. Good girls do what they told. Bad girls do what they want. That's what it's in the bed. Only time I'm a lady when I lay these hoes to rest. Put it on airplane mode so none of these calls come through.
Now this one is She Bad featuring YG. I am sweating up a storm. I don't know these words, but this song is lit. I don't know how this guy's gonna take it that I'm recording, but he said my pleasure. The Ring, oh my gosh, this one with Kehlani, so good.
Ring on my finger, you don't make it ring. Still don't know the freaking lyrics.
Okay, so we got some fries. I love fries, so I got a large. I always go out and get the food so I can purposely take like 5 waffle fries from the other person, and once I get to the house, I give everybody their food. I always take the one with the most fries because waffle fries are bomb and they're huge, so there's really not that many in a box. You guys notice that Chick-fil-A literally finesses us because there is, oh, money back. So I got some chicken nuggets. Look at how bomb these are. They literally finesses us because we get a large waffle fry, and when we get those waffle fries, they're so big that they don't put as many fries as, you know, like McDonald's would put, because they have skinny fries. You guys are smart. You're making your coin. I don't know if that made sense, but I really need to dip this in my Chick-fil-A sauce. If they didn't give me Chick-fil-A sauce, I'm actually gonna call human resources.
Oh, yes, they came through with the Chick-fil-A sauce. You want party with Cardi. Cardi and body in a robbery. Take your bitch to the party. Cardi. I take your bitch to the party. Cardi. Who with the kid? Move rocks in this bitch. I like hustle, so my chicken. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body.
I'm gonna be doing a little mini mukbang, a very mini mukbang, because it is a visual representation of my ADHD, I swear. But ooh, that dip. I freaking love Chick-fil-A, guys. I don't know what I would do without Chick-fil-A. This came from heaven. This also came from heaven. Wow. If you guys know Maggie, which I'm pretty sure you guys do. I didn't post on Instagram, fudge. Maggie refuses to eat at Chick-fil-A, but it's just so good. Would you guys actually want me to do mukbangs? Because I kind of want to do those like on my channel, on my, why can I not talk, on my channel regularly, or like once a month actually, because that would just be kind of weird that it's like bombarding my channel. But and just kind of like letting those days be my cheat days. And also got my fries, beautiful waffle fries. I'm gonna have to dip it into this beautiful sauce. Honestly, I think I'm happiest when I have Chick-fil-A. Also, I'm not a huge lemonade person, but Chick-fil-A's lemonade. This was just a little like sneak peek of a mukbang, but let me know if you guys would actually want a mukbang. But let me show you guys a secret little thing, secret little concoction. I put my friend Miracle on this. Her life changed after this, I swear. Get your Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh, fudge, ranch spilled all over my car. Get your ranch sauce and get your chicken. So dip it in the ranch like this, make sure that it's smothered. Also dip the other side in Chick-fil-A sauce, so we got a very saucy chicken. Usually I don't listen to this type of music, but when it's Cardi, girl, Cardi goes off, so she's like my exception. Other than that, I'm listening to like her, SZA, Drake, just simping all the way, all the time. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Let me know down below if you guys would like for me to start doing more videos like this, more chill videos, some mukbangs, all of that stuff. And let me know if you guys want me to collaborate with people, because maybe I will. Let me know just in general what videos you guys want to see down below, and I will see you guys next time.